Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Healthy Habits with Dr. Health. You're looking for a refreshing, hydrating, and healthy drink after your workouts. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why cucumber water is hands down the best post-exercise drink for everyone, especially for those looking to stay energized, refreshed, and youthful. We'll be covering 15 amazing benefits of cucumber water, so stay tuned till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and check out our previous videos for more health tips. Now, let's jump right in. Cucumber water can play a role in balancing blood sugar levels, making it a great choice after intense workouts. The natural compounds in cucumbers, including fiber and antioxidants, help regulate glucose levels, preventing sharp spikes or crashes in blood sugar. This steady release of energy helps you maintain consistent stamina and avoid fatigue after exercise. By keeping blood sugar levels stable, cucumber water ensures you have sustained energy for recovery, allowing your body to heal and recharge more efficiently. It's a hydrating, low-calorie way to support overall energy balance. Cucumber water is a fantastic way to promote healthy, glowing skin after exercise. During a workout, your pores open up and your body loses moisture through sweat, which can leave your skin feeling dry. The high water content in cucumbers, combined with their hydrating properties, helps replenish lost moisture, ensuring your skin stays refreshed and nourished. By drinking cucumber water, you hydrate your skin from within, helping to maintain a smooth, radiant complexion. This natural hydration also helps flush out toxins, giving you that fresh, post-workout glow. Cucumber water is a natural and refreshing way to restore electrolytes after sweating. When you exercise or engage in physical activities, your body loses key electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance, muscle function, and energy levels. Cucumbers are a rich source of these minerals, making cucumber water an effective option for replenishing your body. Moreover, cucumber water helps balance your body's pH levels, reducing acidity and promoting overall well-being. Its hydrating properties, combined with electrolytes, make it a simple, healthy choice to re-energize and recover after a workout. Cucumber water is a great addition to your post-workout routine for two key reasons: detoxification and reducing inflammation. Exercise naturally stimulates the body's detoxification processes, and cucumber water enhances this by flushing out toxins, helping to cleanse your system. The high water content and antioxidants in cucumbers support kidney function, aiding in the removal of waste from the body. Additionally, cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties that help calm inflammation after intense physical activity. This promotes faster recovery by soothing sore muscles and reducing swelling. Together, these benefits make cucumber water an effective natural recovery aid. Cucumber water is an excellent post-exercise hydration option because it not only replenishes lost fluids but also provides additional benefits. Cucumbers are made up of 95% water, offering a natural source of hydration that can be more effective than plain water due to their mineral content. These minerals, like potassium and magnesium, help restore electrolytes lost through sweat, promoting quicker recovery and rehydration. Additionally, cucumber water is light, refreshing, and easy to prepare. Simply slice cucumbers and let them infuse in cold water for a few hours. For added flavor and benefits, you can include mint, lemon, or other fruits. This makes it an all-natural, nutrient-rich alternative to sugary sports drinks. Cucumber water is an ideal choice for those mindful of their calorie intake. With virtually no calories, it's a refreshing and guilt-free option for staying hydrated, especially after exercise. Unlike sugary sports drinks or sodas, cucumber water provides hydration and nutrients like potassium and antioxidants without adding extra calories to your diet. This makes it perfect for weight management while keeping you energized and refreshed after workouts. Plus, its subtle flavor can encourage you to drink more water throughout the day, supporting overall health and wellness. Cucumber water is a gentle and effective way to support digestion, especially after exercise. Physical activity can sometimes disrupt the stomach, leading to discomfort or bloating. Cucumbers contain natural enzymes and dietary fiber that promote healthy digestion by soothing the stomach lining and aiding the breakdown of food. Cucumber water is a powerful ally for post-workout recovery. Its natural cooling properties help soothe the body, reducing muscle inflammation and tension after intense exercise. Additionally, cucumbers are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a byproduct of strenuous physical activity that can slow recovery. By hydrating the body and providing essential nutrients, cucumber water promotes faster muscle repair and minimizes discomfort, allowing you to recover more efficiently and feel revitalized. This makes it an excellent addition to your post-exercise routine. Cucumber water is not just hydrating, it can also help alleviate muscle fatigue after an intense workout. Cucumbers are rich in silica, a compound known for supporting connective tissue health, and antioxidants that combat inflammation. These properties work together to reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery. Drinking cucumber water after exercise can soothe tired muscles and improve overall post-workout comfort. Additionally, its cooling effect makes it a refreshing way to relax and rejuvenate, ensuring you're ready for your next physical activity. Cucumber water offers multiple benefits that support both immunity and weight loss. Packed with vitamin C, cucumbers strengthen your immune system, which is especially important after strenuous workouts when your body is more vulnerable to illness. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C help fight off free radicals and promote overall health. Additionally, cucumber water aids in weight loss by providing hydration and essential nutrients without extra calories. The high water content helps you feel full, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. This combination of hydration and nutritional support makes cucumber water an excellent choice for those managing their weight while staying healthy. For those dealing with joint pain or stiffness, cucumber water can be a soothing natural remedy that aids in reducing inflammation while promoting overall joint mobility. Its hydrating and nutrient-rich properties make it an excellent addition to any wellness routine. Cucumber water is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids, which play a vital role in post-exercise recovery. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals produced during intense physical activity, reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular repair. By supporting your body's natural recovery processes, cucumber water not only soothes sore muscles, but also enhances overall health. Its nutrient-rich profile makes it a refreshing and beneficial choice for staying hydrated and aiding recovery after a workout. Making cucumber water is incredibly simple and practical, making it a perfect post-workout drink. All you need to do is slice a few cucumber pieces and add them to a glass or pitcher of water. Let it infuse for a few hours, and you're ready to enjoy a refreshing, hydrating beverage. It's affordable, natural, and easy to prepare without any complicated ingredients or steps. This makes cucumber water a convenient and healthy choice for rehydration after exercise, offering a quick and enjoyable way to support your recovery. And there you have it. 15 powerful reasons why cucumber water should be your go-to drink after exercise. It's easy, refreshing, and packed with benefits that will leave you feeling amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future health tips. Share this video with your friends who love staying active, and don't forget to check out our previous videos for more simple yet effective health hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep crushing your fitness goals. Bye.